Practice test 2, calculator section, question 36. So let's get started. So we're given this. Now, what's going on? Well, we're going to break it down and make sure you understand what's going on. So, in the figure above, point O is the center of the circle. Line segments LM and MN are tangent to the circle at points L and N, respectively. So points L and N are here. And what does it mean to be tangent to points? Well, that means it is, so there's a circle, right? There's a line, right? LM or MN, whichever. It means it's 90 degrees to the circle where it touches, right? It's 90 degrees. So if you would write that in this, it's going to be here. Yeah. It kind of makes sense, right? Yeah, 90 degrees. Respectively. And the segments intersect at point M as shown. Yep. If the circumference of the circle is 96, so the circumference is the perimeter of the circle. It's how much it's talking about this right here. Oh, maybe I should make it a different color. Yeah. This is a circumference. Okay. Now, what is the length of minor arc LN? The arc LN is showing where it begins and where it ends. The arc is talking about this. This is the arc. So it's on the circle, the arc. So first of all, we need to calculate what's here, right? But then that's going to be fairly easy because we already know the other angles. We know that there are two 90-degree angles and 160. And this is a quadrilateral. I'm sure you call it that. Yeah. So it's kind of like this, right? I'm bad at drawing. This is 60. And we don't know this. So this is a quadrilateral. 4 edges. Oh, and before that, this is a geometry question, you know, with the circles and like angles and all that. Oh, and angles technically. Well, I mean, angles are included in geometry, but if you want to, you know, narrow it down. So it's quadrilateral, which means it adds up to 360 degrees. So keeping that in mind, we subtract the other values we know from 360 degrees, and then we'll get x. So 360 degrees minus whatever. So there's 90, and also there's 60. And yeah, so this, and this. And that's going to be 180, 240. So we're left with 180. No, I made a mistake. That's going to be yeah, that's going to be 120. Sorry, my bad. 120. And now we know that x is 120, but we're not finished yet. So another thing you should keep in mind is that, oh, that is a terrible circle. Whenever you have these lengths from the center of the circle, so make this O, whatever is here, which is called the arc measure, so the angle, right? The arc is going to be the same. The arc length, so if it's 60, it's going to be 60 out of 360 degrees. That's not the actual circumference measure. So from there, we know that this is 120. So this arc length is going to be 120 out of 360 degrees. So what is that? Well, that's going to be 1/3. Yeah, 96. If you look at the bottom part, you'll know. And then you'll times it by 1/3 because you want to know 1/3 of 96 because you want to know the minor arc. And that's going to leave us with 32. So that's going to be our answer. Sorry for the confusion. But yeah,